Good morning. Very nice morning in Moshi today. As we have started our high season for trekking and safari. Our company, African Traces, today we have 10 clients who will be climbing Mount Kilimanjaro via Machame route. They are from Israel, the holy country. They are going to climb Kilimanjaro, Machame route. Now we are going to the hotel to pick our client. So if you are if you want to climb Kilimanjaro, it's your time now to book your trekking trip with African Traces and starting climbing Kilimanjaro. We have professional guides for Kilimanjaro. We have a medical checkup every morning and every evening, just to make sure your trekking will be safe and safety. You're welcome with African Traces.
Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata. Jambo bwana, habari gani? Mzuri sana. Wageni wakaribishwa Kilimanjaro, hakuna matata.
Israeli yetu bomba,
Hakuna matata.
tutaenda mlima,
Hakuna matata.
kanda simama, kanda simama, kanda simama.